Dubai Islamic Bank DIB SHAMS Infinite Covered Card, Honest Review, and User Experience. Credit cards come with flashy perks, but the DIB SHAMS Infinite Covered Card promises premium benefits. I've used it extensively, and here's my honest review. Most people assume infinite means unlimited benefits, but the surprising truth is this card focuses on exclusive lifestyle privileges, travel coverage, and cashback rewards. It offers comprehensive insurance, airport lounge access, and priority concierge services, which can really elevate the user experience. Applying was straightforward, though approval requires meeting specific income and credit requirements. Once approved, I linked it to my DIB account for seamless online management. The card also tracks spending, rewards, and cashback in real time. Rewards are notable. I earned significant cashback on dining, travel, and online shopping, while the card's coverage includes medical emergencies, lost luggage, and flight delays ideal for frequent travelers. The concierge service helped me book luxury experiences effortlessly, which adds real value. The downside? The annual fee is higher than standard cards, so it's worth it only if you utilize travel perks and rewards frequently. Also, some benefits are region-specific, so international travelers should check eligibility in advance. In conclusion, the DIB SHAMS Infinite Covered Card is perfect for premium users who value travel perks, insurance coverage, and lifestyle privileges. If you spend regularly on dining, travel, and experiences, the rewards and benefits can easily outweigh the costs. For anyone seeking a high-end, comprehensive card experience, this card is worth considering.